Hi guys, it's Kristen from APokreations, and I got some happy mail. So I found this squishy gel kit on Amazon, and it came with, I think this is the hamster, maybe? This is that chubby, I don't know what that is. But look, it's an axolotl. And it's so cute because the axolotl one came with some paints that you can paint into the mold. I don't know how I got dog hair on this thing when I don't even own a dog. And so I figure I will like paint the eyeballs, because like it gives you these little itty bitty eyeballs. I don't know if you can see them. Let me take them out of the bag. Look, I moved somebody mentioned in the fantasy collab video that they couldn't see because of my ring light. So anyway, so it comes with 2 sets of these, of these eyeballs. But I saw somebody, I think it was Louise Singleton, doing hers, and she said they didn't stick. So this might be a mouse. Maybe that's what that is. I think it's a mouse. And then this is the hamster, the little fat chunky one that you always see on all of the thingamabobs. Oh, let me get a little paintbrush. All right. So I am going to, maybe, if I can get this open without making a mess. Ugh. Ooh, it's very pretty. I'm going to paint its gills and then the little cheeky parts there with the pink. Maybe. Oh, hello. There's Icky. Like, I don't know how it doesn't stick. Okay. Maybe you're supposed to paint it afterwards. Look, the directions are in Chinese. I can't read Chinese. So you know what I may do is wipe this out and get some mica powder, because that I know works. And this is so squishy. No pun intended. Okay, let me go find some mica powder. Okay, so I am going to use my eye candy Charisse, and then this is just black mica powder. Oh. Okay, so I mixed up 120 mils of the Fun Showcase Squishy Gel. And so, look, I have no idea how much this takes. Oh, hang on. So it also comes with this little pokey tool. Just make sure. It's a nice one too. Okay. All right, so let's put this aside here. I have to prop his butt up. It's a little bit, this stuff is a little bit goopier than the stuff you get from Let's Resin. But, you know what? It cost me like $20. 23, I think, for the whole kit. Which, you know, really isn't that bad when you think about it. Right. Yeah, it is a little goopier. Either that or it doesn't have a whole lot of work time. Ah. All right, it's definitely goopier. Blech. It's already like boogery. Alrighty. So now we just have to wait until it cures. And what did I do with my, oh well, I don't know what I did with my little lighter, but just pop these with the long neck lighter. All right, I'm gonna take that out of there because it's overflowing. Paper towel. Oh. Boy. Blech. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more gloopy than the other stuff I've used. Okay. Ooh, that was rough. And it did great in the debubbler. That's one thing I can definitely say. I think most of the bubbles that I have in here are from me pouring it. So we will see what it looks like when it is done. Okay, I'll be back in a bit. Okay, I am actually going to put on gloves for this, even though they are not necessary. But I, look, as much as I love making these, I am not a fan of how they feel on my hands. And I don't know, you know, how this works compared to the stuff that I've used from Let's Resin, the Flex Rubber. Ugh. And again, this kit doesn't contain, you know, the release agent, so whoop. Oh, look at how cute that is. All right, so I have a little over pour here on his butt and on his face, but oh, is that cute? Bloop bloop. Actually, you know what I'm gonna try and do while it's all sticky and weird like that? Let me see if I can put its cheese and crackers. Let me try and put its eyeballs in, see if they'll stick before I put the flocking on. Ah! Whoops! All right, I don't know how long it's going to stay on there, but oh, it's so cute. And look what they send too. Oh, and they send a piece of cheese. Or maybe he's like a Wisconsin cheesehead. I don't know. But anywho, let me get boop. Okay. Whoops. All right, well then. Oh, I left some red on his belly, but oh, that is so cute. Oh, okay, so I am Okay, I am going to get the flocking. Okay, so I'm gonna do the hamster in white. Okay. Ooh. Okay, nope, they don't stay on when you run it in the flocking. Nope. Okay. Well, they're probably going to go on on another project I have going. I have to put some. Woo! Ugh. Okay, so I am going to do my axolotl in pink. Ah! Okay. So here's the axolotl. Squishy. Mew, mew, mew. And beep, beep, beep. Here is my hamster. Beep, beep, beep. I still have, well, mouse. I'm sorry. The hamster is this one, and I have not made that yet. So I am going to, and they send you the cutest little, like the bags. I don't know how you're supposed to put the sunglasses on them, but I'm totally using them for another whatever project. But look at how cute that cheese is. See? All right, well, if you could do me a favor and like and subscribe and leave me a comment, I'd really appreciate it. Maybe if you feel like sharing the video, please do. And I will be doing another video on the hamster. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my squishies. All right. Take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.